Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe. Today we're at the local RV dealership. We're going to be looking at a Durango 28.6 BHD, and this one is by KZ RV, and this one's got a slide, so stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Thanks again for joining me, folks. Today we're going to look at the 2023 Durango Half Ton 286 BHD. Now this fifth wheel is actually a really nice fifth wheel. It has two slide outs and plenty of space. It's got an unloaded weight of 9,250 pounds. It's got a dry hitch weight of 1,580 pounds. The total length from end to end is 33 feet 7 inches. It's got an exterior width of 96 inches or 8 feet. You can see that it's got dual slides here, one for the living area and one for the bedroom. I'm going to put the diagram up on the screen here so you can have a quick look at the layout before we continue. As we start on the outside, I really like the idea of two awnings, which gives you full shade on the whole one side of this RV, which keeps it nice and cool on those hot days. Now let's have a look at what's inside these cupboards. You've got a mini fridge, a griddle, and a sink. I think this is super convenient, and it's perfect for outside entertaining. If you're finding some value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Now looking at the back of this Durango, you can see that there's two nice size windows. You've got a ladder that can take you up to the roof, and you've got plenty of storage back here. As we move along to the side compartment, you can see that there's a pass-through storage with a JBL music system, and this compartment really does have a lot of space in it. You can load it up with all kinds of stuff. As we make our way inside, the combination of the slides and the layout of this RV presents itself as a very open concept living. So let's make our way to the main living area. Now this is where this RV really shines. TV entertainment center is on my right. You can see that the slide is a combination of the couch and the dinette together. And to my left is this gigantic kitchen. Look at the cupboard space, folks. Look at the counter space that this RV has. I think this kitchen is very impressive. They really hit a home run on this one. There's enough cupboard space for absolutely everything you want to pack in here. Now I really like this entertainment center as well. It's got some cupboards up top, you can put your movies, you've got your television, and I think the fireplace is a really nice touch, and it makes it nice and cozy warm on those cold nights. Now I want to mention again how impressed I am with this kitchen. The full-size fridge, the cupboards that are surrounding it, it's really a nice finish. I love the color. I think it really keeps it nice and bright. I like the way the appliances are set up. It's like being in your own kitchen. You've got the microwave above, you've got your gas stove and oven. To the right of the stove, you can see that there's a full-size sink and comes with a residential faucet. Now let's move further back and have a look at the bunk beds. Now these are double bunk beds, folks. There's a lot of space in here. You can fit two people without an issue. Now let's move over to the bathroom. As you can see right away, this is another place where they have utilized all the space very well. Medicine cabinet up top. This is a great bathroom. It's really nice to see the undermount stainless steel sink with 3 drawers and a cupboard underneath, which gives you plenty of storage space. And not to mention the linen cupboard just to the left of the sink. Now as we have a look at the shower, you can see that this is a nice full-size shower. There's no curtain, and it's a nice convenient collapsible door. On the ceiling above the shower is a typical skylight that you see in most RVs. It's always nice to have a skylight. It lets in so much more natural light. I also really like the black faucets. It seems to finish it off quite nicely. And to the left of the shower is your standard toilet. Now let's make our way over to the bedroom. Standard RV door. Now you can see that this bedroom is actually a really nice size. This bedroom comes with a full-size walk-around 60 by 80 queen-size bed with storage underneath. I really like the wardrobe slide out here. It gives you lots of cupboard space, a couple of drawers. You've got more cupboards above the bed, great for linen or extra clothing, a little side table, and a great window that lets in lots of natural light. Well, I really like this Durango Half Ton KZ fifth wheel. I would be more comfortable towing this fifth wheel with at least a 3/4 ton. Now it's something that you're going to have to decide on. It's something that you're going to have to try out. You have to check your state laws and your provincial laws, and also check with your local dealership to make sure it's the safest for you and your family. Safe travels. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.